Also, guys, welcome back to the Football Appreciation YouTube channel. Now, Wolves' Premier League fixtures are about to come out. So yeah, I thought I'd react to them before they come out. I think they come out in about 10 seconds time. I kind of want the easiest start possible. You know, with Bruno Lage, I think if we get a hard fixture list to start with, this could go downhill very quickly. And I'm scared for, okay, there it is. I'll look in a minute. But I'm scared that, you know, if we get like Chelsea, Man City, Man United our third three games and get a few thrashings, the fan base can kind of turn very easily. I want Everton at home, and I want like Watford and Brentford. So, all right, let's look at the fixtures. Jesus Christ! All right, so we've got Leicester away, which I feel like we get every year. Like we got Leicester away. Was that our first season? No, it was our second season, right? We always seem to play Leicester really early. Then Tottenham, Fonseca's Tottenham, that is. Solskjaer's Man United. God, that's a really hard first three games. But after that, it's kind of easy. You know, we've got Watford away, Brentford away, Southampton away. That's three very easy games. I think all of those sides will be in relegation battles. And there is an argument to say, like, look, it's probably easier to play the good teams at the start. So look, maybe that's not the worst thing possible. Why do we always get Liverpool away on the final day? We always get that every year. Okay, so we've got Villa away first, again, as we always do. Apparently fixtures are so boring for Wolves, like there's never anything that interesting. Who have we got on Christmas? Watford on Boxing Day, that's alright. Then Arsenal away. Man United, we always get really hard New Year's fixtures as well, don't we? Villa at home on the Saturday the 2nd. I mean, yeah, it's not great. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted these three games first, then these three games here, just for ease. Why is it always Leicester and United first? It's so true. We always get them every single year. I don't know where the West Brom games are. Oh yeah, of course. But yeah, overall, I'd say it's not the greatest fixture list for Bruno Lage. One thing I will say is all the hard fixtures are kind of spread out. Like there doesn't really seem to be a really hard month in there, which I always like. You don't want a month where there's just like 5 really hard fixtures. Like we always used to get that in November, where we'd always used to play Derby and get smashed like 5-0. But yeah, Leicester away, terrible start. Yeah, we play every game twice. Let me know what you think of the fixtures in the comments. You happy? Or has this just made you more nervous for Bruno Lage's start? Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, peace.